Well, we ended up moving him about 15 feet, 20 feet. Then he got stuck. I'd help him a little more, but his brother came out with a shovel. My hands are frozen. Oh man, fuck this. I'm going home. Yeah.
You should take it. All the way in.
Show my friends on Facebook
All the
and
way
Twitter. Jesus.
That's the reason why it's
Yeah. Oh man, I'd help you guys out, but I don't have my gloves with me.
No, that's okay, man. That's all good.
Good luck, guys.
Thanks for your help, though.
Oh shit, the snow! Got some hands. Hands frozen. Walking headwind. I can no longer keep my eyes open. They're tearing up because of the ice crystals. Ah, shit. I hope the post office takes the day off tomorrow. I helped somebody get their car unstuck. I just said I helped somebody get their car unstuck. I'm gonna see how fucked up I am in a moment. Hey, help me with this door. It doesn't want to close. Never mind, I got it.
Wow, look at me. Is that high up?
Yeah, it's up to my knees right now.
Oh, Drew! You're recording me?
Yep.
Son of a bitch.
It's gonna be on Facebook in a minute and Twitter.